As we all know, there is no one in today's era who don't want to make money, so for making money online I am introducing an app called Midjourney. As Midjourney is an independent research lab exploring new mediums of thought and expanding the imaginative powers of the human species, it may not necessarily be a revenue-generating entity in itself. However, here are some potential ways to generate $15,000 per month using the research and tools provided by Midjourney. Offer consulting services. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can use the research and tools provided by Midjourney to provide consulting services to clients. For example, if you are a marketing expert, you can use the insights and tools provided by Midjourney to offer marketing consultations to clients. You can charge clients a premium fee for your consulting services, and you can use the resources provided by Midjourney to provide them with personalized advice and solutions based on their unique needs. To get started with offering consulting services, you will need to have a deep understanding of your field of expertise, as well as excellent communication skills. You will also need to have access to the research and tools provided by Midjourney and be able to integrate them into your consulting practice. Develop innovative products. You can use the research and tools provided by Midjourney to develop innovative products that solve real-world problems. For example, you can use the insights provided by Midjourney to create a new type of wearable technology or a smart home automation system. By developing innovative products that are based on cutting-edge research and technologies, you can attract a large customer base and generate significant revenue. To develop innovative products, you will need to have some technical skills or work with a team of developers who can help you create the product. You will also need to have access to the research and tools provided by Midjourney and be able to integrate them into your product development process. Create educational content. You can use the research and tools provided by Midjourney to create educational content, such as courses, workshops, and tutorials. By creating educational content that is based on cutting-edge research and technologies, you can attract a large audience and generate significant revenue through course fees or advertising revenue. To create educational content, you will need to have some teaching skills or work with a team of educators who can help you create the content. You will also need to have access to the research and tools provided by Midjourney and be able to integrate them into your educational content. Offer AI-powered services. You can use the tools provided by Midjourney to develop AI-powered services that solve real-world problems. For example, you can use the AI algorithms developed by Midjourney to create a chatbot that provides personalized customer support or a virtual assistant app that helps users with their daily tasks. To offer AI-powered services, you will need to have some technical skills or work with a team of developers who can help you create the service. You will also need to have access to the AI tools provided by Midjourney and be able to integrate them into your service development process. Conduct research and publish papers. Midjourney is a research lab that explores new mediums of thought, and if you have the expertise, you can use the research tools provided by Midjourney to conduct research in your field of interest. You can then publish your research findings in academic journals or present them at conferences, earning recognition and prestige. As you become known in your field for your research, you can leverage this expertise to secure consulting or speaking engagements, which can lead to additional revenue streams. Develop apps. You can use the tools and APIs provided by Midjourney to develop mobile or web applications that use AI algorithms or other innovative technologies. By creating useful and engaging apps, you can attract a large user base and monetize your app through in-app purchases, ads, or subscriptions. To develop apps, you will need to have some technical skills or work with a team of developers who can help you create the app. You will also need to have access to the research and tools provided by Midjourney and be able to integrate them into your app development process. Build a community. You can use the research and insights provided by Midjourney to build a community of like-minded individuals who share your interests. By hosting events, webinars, or workshops, you can bring people together to discuss and learn about new ideas and technologies. As your community grows, you can monetize it through membership fees or sponsorships, providing a recurring revenue stream. In summary, the key to generating $15,000 per month using Midjourney is to leverage the cutting-edge research and tools provided by the lab to create innovative solutions or to develop new revenue streams. Whether it's through consulting, product development, educational content, or other means, Midjourney provides the tools and insights necessary to stay at the forefront of your field and generate significant revenue.